Ever wondered how to maintain a healthy indoor herb garden? Well, today is your lucky day. Welcome to a world where green thumbs don't have to be restricted to the outdoors. Indoor herb gardens are an excellent way to add life and flavor to your home. But like any living thing, they require care and attention to thrive. So let's break it down into simple, easy to follow steps. First things first, sunlight. Herbs love sunlight. The ideal spot for your indoor herb garden is a windowsill that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. If natural light is limited, consider using grow lights. These can mimic the sun's rays and ensure your herbs get the light they need. Next up, watering. The trick is not to overdo it. Herbs don't like to be too soggy. Water them when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. And remember, drainage is key. Make sure your pots have drainage holes and are not sitting in water. Now, onto the soil. Your herbs will need well-draining soil. A mix of 2 parts potting soil to 1 part coarse sand or perlite works well. This will keep your herbs' roots nice and aerated. Temperature is another crucial factor. Most herbs prefer temperatures between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Too hot, and they may wilt. Too cold, and they could stop growing altogether. The next step is feeding. Feed your herbs with a balanced water-soluble fertilizer every 2 weeks during the growing season. This will help them grow strong and healthy. Pruning is also essential. Regularly, harvest your herbs to encourage new growth. Just remember not to take more than 1/3 of the plant at a time. Finally, be vigilant against pests. Herbs can attract small insects like aphids and spider mites. If you see any signs of these pests, try a natural insecticidal soap spray. To summarize, maintaining healthy indoor herb gardens boils down to 7 key steps. Ensuring adequate sunlight or light from grow lamps, watering correctly using well-draining soil, maintaining the right temperature, feeding with a balanced fertilizer, regular pruning, and vigilance against pests. Take these steps and you'll have a lush, vibrant indoor herb garden in no time. Not only will it add a touch of greenery to your home, but it will also provide you with fresh herbs to add flavor to your meals. So why wait? Start your indoor herb garden today and reap the benefits of having fresh herbs at your fingertips.